Have you ever needed to create a lead magnet but had no idea where to start? Well, today I'm going to talk about how you can create a lead magnet insanely simply and insanely fast. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan. I'm here to help you find the tools to build an income online. A lot of us, we need a lead magnet to attract people into our business. You could need it for your Facebook group, your email list, whatever it is. I mean, you just offer a lead magnet and people will give you their contact information. It could be your phone number, email, whatever it is, or join your group in exchange for some extra information. One of the things, and this was one of my stumbling blocks when I first got started, was like, what do I have to say? And like, I haven't learned anything yet. But you just, you go out and you learn. But one of the quickest ways to do it is to see what other people are teaching and repackaging that into one of your own lead magnets. Make sure that you make it original to yourself, but you could repackage the information that's already been taught into something and then give it to somebody else that hasn't learned that yet. What I've done before is I just go to, you can go to any video streaming site. I prefer YouTube because there's just so much on there. And for instance, I searched for top 10 list affiliate marketing. And the first one that I saw that fit was just top 10 best affiliate programs 2020. So it's relevant, it's current, because it's 2020 and this video is coming out in 2020 as well. So what you could do is you could save. To break it down, I'm going to save the audio and I'm going to take that audio and turn it into a lead magnet, like a PDF lead magnet that I can give away for free. So what I do is I take this video, and there's actually a Chrome plugin. You can go and take the URL, and there's a lot of different websites that you can go out and save the download the YouTube video from, but I like this one because I could just directly from it just download it directly from YouTube. So I'll post a link to this Chrome plugin in the description, but it's just called YouTube Video Downloader. You install the Chrome plugin. There's a few extra steps for this particular one, which they give you pretty straightforward instructions on how to install it. And then when that happens, you get two options. You could either It gives you just a little extra tab right here next to the thumbs up, and you can click that. And for me, I don't need the video, I just need the audio. So I can just hit convert to MP3, or you could also go up to the tab up in the top. Once it loads, you get all those same options and you can just, convert to MP3. I've already saved that, so I don't need to do that now. But once you have this video saved, make sure that you go through the video a little bit and you actually know what it's about. Just don't pick some random video and go off the title. Know what they're talking about and make sure that it's something that you actually want to teach. So this video has 10 different affiliate programs. They talk about, I'll go through it. They talk about Podia, and then there was also Teachable, and I saw this one, which is the Bluehost, and then Amazon affiliate program. It's still Amazon affiliate program. Shopify, TubeBuddy. These are all programs. VIDIQ. I think that was all the ones. There's the other one. So they basically created a list for you that you could dive off of, but you don't necessarily need to write everything from scratch. So what I do is I save that audio, which I've already saved it, and then I go into this other program called OTTER. OTTER will take audio or video, and it goes faster if you just use the audio, and it will actually convert the audio into text. So for instance, I already took that video, and I can go to my conversations and I go to this. So now it's converted that entire video. So now I could just go here.
Hey, what's up guys? My name's Chris Winter. In this video,
So I don't want to have it, I can't just copy and paste everything that he's talked about. So I could I want to go down and find this one's actually broken up a little bit better. So right here, it talks about this. So I could take this text right here where he talks about it, copy it into my notes, and then clean it up and make it more relevant to what I'm already teaching. So for this, since it's 10 different subjects, I could break up all 10 of them into my suggestions. And then I can go to another website called Attract.io, which all 3 of these are free. Attract.io. So I just click create a new lead magnet. And then you pick the kind that you want. You can have a resource guide, checklist, which this could be a checklist, or a case study, a how-to guide, just whatever is more relevant to the lead magnet that you're trying to create. So let's see. How about we just go resource guide? Let's try that one. And it will create a template. You pick the style that you want, whatever it could be. You give it the title. You give it a name, and then each of these sections can be one of those things that he talked about in his video. But you just make sure that you're rewording things. So make sure you're rewording them so that's unique to the way that you are actually teaching. But you can get the information and most of it written out just by pulling it from YouTube, and then you convert it to text so you don't even need to write it up, and then just clean it up, reword a few things to make it so it works for you. And as long as you are 100% sure that you vouch for the information, because you are now basically putting your stamp of approval on somebody else's content, and you want it to be original, like I keep on saying that. But yeah, just for each of those 10 things, put a list. Resource 1, you could be tip 1, tip 2, whatever maybe it's your top 10 tips. You find those 10 tips on YouTube, and then you could just drop them in here. And then when you're ready, you could just hit publish, and you could create, this particular site has 2 different things that you could do. You could create just a link that the site hosts, or you could download a PDF and then host it however you want through. A lot of people use Google Drive, a lot of people use Dropbox, or you could have another service that you want to deliver your lead magnet. Or you could also put it, if you have a Facebook group, you could put it in the units section, and there's so many different options. Just to go over it one more time, just find a video, you search your top 10 or whatever tips, then download the audio, go to OTTER and upload the MP3, and take the text, find the relevant parts, break them up into your 10 or whatever sections that you're trying to make your list for, put them go to Attract.io, and then just format it into a very simple PDF, and that's your lead magnet. You could get this done in no time at all. But yeah, so all of these are free. The only thing that, the only limitation is with OTTER. There's a limitation on how much you get for free. They have a pro version, but I believe that they give you like 600 minutes of audio conversion for free. And the only affiliate program that they have is if you refer people to it, then you end up getting extra free minutes. I hope that you got some value out of this. If you did, make sure that you like and subscribe. And if you did, don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you have another way that you use to create lead magnets really fast, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. All right, take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.